Welcome back everyone. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever noticed that when you are using Chrome browser, your PC is becoming dead slow? In fact, if you pay close attention, you will find even after closing the Chrome, your PC may still feel slow and sluggish. We all know that Chrome is one of the best browser available today. That's true. But another truth is some of the default setting can quietly consume RAM and CPU and even keep running in the background when you think you have already closed it. Now the good news is a few simple changes can make Chrome lighter, faster and more efficient. In this video, we will see the exact setting that you should change. We will also see what each setting actually does and help you to decide which options are best for your system. Let's get started. Setting number 1. Stop Chrome from running in the background. Open Chrome browser and in the address bar type chrome:/settings/system. I'll also put all these commands in a description box so that you can simply copy and paste. Type this command and press enter. This will take you directly to the Chrome's system setting page. Now look for the option called continue running background app when the Chrome browser is closed. Check whether it's enabled. If it is, turn it off right now. But what exactly does this setting do? When this option is enabled, Chrome doesn't completely shut down when you close the browser. Instead, it continues running in the background. This means Chrome extension, web application and other background process can keep using RAM and CPU resources, even though Chrome appear to be closed. In some cases, Chrome may continue consuming system resources all day without you realize it. You can actually verify this yourself. For many users, this single setting provides one of the biggest performance improvement on the entire list. And the best part, you won't lose any important functionality by turning it off. Let's do it. Setting number 2. Enable memory saver. Now let's move to the next setting. In Chrome, type chrome:/settings and press enter. From the left side menu, click on performance. Here you will find a feature called memory saver. Take a look and see whether it is enabled or disabled. If it's disabled, I highly recommend turning it on. So what exactly does memory saver do? Whenever you open multiple tabs, each tab uses a portion of your computer's RAM. Over time, dozens of open tabs can consume a huge amount of memory, even if you are not actually using them. Memory Saver solves this problem automatically. It puts inactive tabs to sleep after they have been unused for a period of time. And when you click on tab again, Chrome simply reload it for you. It's a very simple feature, but it makes a noticeable difference, especially if you keep lots of tabs open. Once you enable Memory Saver, you will see 3 different options: moderate, balance, and maximum. Moderate. With this option, tabs stay active for long period before being put to sleep. It's a least aggressive setting and works well for users who frequently switch between tabs. Second is balance. This is a Chrome's recommended setting. It provides you a good balance between keeping all tabs available and freeing up memory when needed. For most users, this is the best option. Maximum. This option put active tab to sleep much sooner. It provides the biggest memory saving and is ideal for system with a limited RAM. If your computer only has a small amount of memory and Chrome often feel heavy, this setting can make a noticeable difference. For most people, I recommend choosing balance, but if your PC struggle when you open multiple tabs, go ahead and try maximum. You may be surprised by how much smoother Chrome feels afterward. Setting number 3. Clean up unused extension. Now look at the area that many Chrome users completely ignore: your extension. Open a new tab in Chrome and type Chrome:/extension and press enter. This will show you all the extensions currently installed in your browser. Now take a moment and look through the list and be honest with yourself. How many of these extensions do you actually use? Many people install extension for a specific task and then forget they even exist. The problem is that the most extensions don't just sit there by doing nothing. Many of them continue running in the background every time Chrome starts. Some extensions are very lightweight, others can consume a surprising amount of RAM and CPU resources. Extensions such as Ad Blocker, Password Manager, Shopping Assistant, Screenshot Tool, other AI Assistant, and Productivity Extension often run code on every page you visit. Individually, the impact may seem small, but when multiple extensions are running at the same time, the performance cost can add up quickly. That's why it's a good idea to review your extension regularly. If you find any extension that you haven't used in a week or month, consider removing it. If you are not ready to remove it completely, you can disable it instead. It's simple cleanup step that many users overlook, but it can make a noticeable difference, especially if you have been using Chrome for a year without reviewing your extension. So this is all for this video. If this video helped you, please subscribe to this channel. It's completely free and it's a great way to support the channel. Your support helps me to continue creating more techful videos like this. And let me know in the comment which Chrome setting made the biggest difference on your PC. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.